How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to the next but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. You can either scroll left or right to find the very Instagram application or go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Instagram application and find it. After you find the very Instagram there, you have to tap on Instagram like this and then go to your profile section in the down portion and then go to the three lines in the top and then go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you tap on the option of the settings and privacy, you have to just scroll downwards and then go to the option of logout and then tap on logout. After you tap on logout, now you'll be logged out of Instagram. Now after you're logged out of Instagram, you also have to make sure that you are just opening the very Instagram application on the next device. For that, you have to make sure that you have a very sound internet connection on the next device as well, because if you do not have a sound internet connection on your next device, the very process won't happen. So after you logged in from the very one of the device or log out from any of one device, then you have to take on your next phone there and you have to open Instagram on the next phone as well and log in your credentials on the next phone, and this way you can open and log in the Instagram on your next phone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.